Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by installing Teams and signing in so you can join meetings and chat. Open the store, search for Microsoft Teams, and install. Once installed, sign in with your work, school, or Microsoft account. This links your calendar and files. Make sure to grant microphone, camera, and notifications when prompted so calls and alerts work reliably. After sign-in, confirm your profile picture and status. This helps colleagues recognize you quickly and prevents meeting. Now you'll move into using chats and Teams channels. Tap Chat to message individuals or groups. Tap Teams to see channels and threaded conversations. Once done, pin frequent chats and mute channels to reduce noise. That keeps the app focused. Tap Calendar to join scheduled meetings or create a meeting invite. Use the Files tab to upload and share documents from your phone or OneDrive. This keeps conversations connected to the right resources and saves time. Finish by mastering calls, screen sharing, and basic fixes. To join, tap the calendar event, follow a meeting link, or enter a meeting code. Then choose audio and video settings. During a call, switch camera, enable background blur, and tap share to present your screen or a file. If something fails, try restarting the app first, confirm microphone/camera permissions, and test on Wi-Fi or mobile data. If problems persist, sign out and back in to refresh your account connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.